Okay, hello everyone. Market already open 7 minutes ago, and we'll see if we are going to trade today or it's just going to be another day for the third one for the three times. I'm not trading this week, so we'll see what we will got here. So I actually have continuation trade of this Paris SMT. I was expecting it if it's want to complete, we need to sweep all the way down here, but I don't think we are going to have it all the way down here today, even if we actually want to continue lower of this pairs SMT on bigger time frame. But I was confident enough we could continue to get this Asian low and then this hourly low to get as our take profit target. And but one thing I check, okay, we actually, because I was thinking we before we I'm actually hit record, that I was thinking that we actually could get some, bullish SMT of this London high, but turns out we actually already sweep London low on both index. So yeah, I think that works. But again, because it was continuation of this bearish SMT on bigger time frame, as always, I was looking for price to manipulate to 5-minute high. And while waiting for that, I want to watch YouTube. For 45 achievement, that's crazy. I already did this one. Oh yeah, it's the one that's already done. Learn all player upgrades in one branch. Find alternative manuals. Complete the story. Well, obviously, that's if I already completed the story. Craft every item. Learn 25 player upgrades. Choose rank. Get an S rank on an encounter. Relic of stage. Well, I don't think I'm not doing this one right because I was remember that I'm leaving one safe in the first stage because I don't fucking know what do I need to do. Wow, another price action that we just dumping like crazy stupid fuck without giving me any entry. We could pretty much not trade again today. You're gonna be crazy if I'm not going to be have an entry. If I mean technically on in terms of bullish SMT, it will be ideal if we have the rejection after we sweep around this New York low, like in here. But now it looks like ES is kind of slowing down the way I see it. I mean, you see it is we have the Paris SMT, which is the one that should be dumping to the downside, but in this scenario, NQ is the one that really crazy want to kiss this Asian low, like crazy. So I was thinking we might going to get some bullish SMT of this Asian low, and then it's just going to be flipping our price to the opposite direction. You gotta be kidding me if I'm not trading again today. I know that I'm not rushing this, but man, not trading for 3 days is kind of crazy. I mean, better than a loss when I'm forced to trade. I mean, the only thing that I like from my trading is, I mean, I only like it when I'm not trading when the market is showing me that I don't trade today way more earlier than me just waiting for it, and then he just giving me like, okay, don't trade today. Like for example, yesterday trade. It takes some time to make me decide from how the market move to just decide to not trade. We bouncing back for fucking 3 times, and then the third bounce. I don't even know if the yesterday was actually going to the direction that I actually want. This is right. So and then we have the bullish SMT after this, I guess. I think yeah, we have bullish SMT here, and then ending up going higher, which actually what I'm actually thinking about to go higher here. But I don't like it when we already halfway like that. It is so crazy. Again, all of this shit is very scandal, not giving us anything. Like a stupid fuck. I also don't. I remember I haven't checked news today. There's CPI, but on GPP, 2 p.m. and everything was already out. There's FOMC member Waller speaks 8:15. My market open is 9:30, so it doesn't really matter. See, look at this stupid fuck price action. Just dumping like motherfuckers. This is pissing me off. And yeah, we don't really have any SMT. I'm going to check this hourly. I don't think we really have it. I think we have it here. We have this hourly lows. Yep, there was hourly lows. We sweep it on ENQ, but we don't sweep it on ES yet. Or actually, we're not going to sweep it. We'll see. Now I'm going to need continuation to the upside. If we're actually going to hold this bullish SMT, we'll see. I already opened it. Okay, it's recording. Well, this is like something that when you say opinion something like this about education, you are doing school and all of that stuff, you, there's no opinion that you can say for something better. It's there's always right in both of opinion because but you can generalize it what the fuck so I say you can make it common and then make it group opinion to all of the people, even on the people that doing college and on the people that was actually working. I mean, just think about it like this. For example, for the college side, I mean, it's right. You are fucking wasting your parents' money if you are already got paid to college by your parents, and then you are actually fucking up your school, and then you are actually just complaining on your fucking WhatsApp story about, oh, there's a fucking assignment, dude. You are already got fucking paid. Just fucking do the assignment, man. And then yeah, I mean, if people actually work by himself for the money, then I don't really give a shit about that. It's your money that you got from for by your own hard work, so it doesn't really matter whatever you do. But yeah, if the case is people like that, you already got fucking paid. Then I mean, I think Doctor Tita also say this stuff. If you are fucking stupid and not and just fucking lazy to do college, and then your parents paid for it, and then you are giving opinion to people that was not in the college and bad stuff about them, then you are in the wrong because you don't have right to say that. Same thing with people that don't go to college and then work their ass off and then telling people that telling opinion to the people that in the college but also had worked their ass off and also smart and then actually they actually doing the college, they're actually learning something, not being a dumbass that was uh not even learning anything and just making college as something that you just do as a fucking side quest to, to just fucking smoking and then hanging out with your fucking people. And yeah, and again, you're spending your fucking parents' money, and then when it's gone, you call their parents. Uh, I need more money. Can you send it to me? It's already gone. And then yeah, and then your parents send it again, and then yeah. I mean, as someone, I actually want to go to college, but still going to try it again next year because it's obvious already December. I want to try to go to like Turkish, Turkey. What am I saying? Turkish to Turkey, Istanbul, all of this stuff. Again with scholarship because I actually I think I have a uh decent what the fuck is it? Decent point on subjects and all of this stuff. I also like doing some leadership stuff. Why? Where is the line? Okay, it's lagging. Nice. We don't really have any good rejection to the upside after even we have this in the boys SMT area. We'll see, but still again, we have this 5 minute high on ES, but we don't have it on NQ. So we still can have any entry. Yeah, from the fucking track, I knew it. This is Monza. This is fucking Monza. Bro, can I fucking do I have this on that website? I think that will be better. Fuck, I just realized all of this fucking setup, but the fucking steering wheel is G29. Is it right? I don't know. I think it's G29. Oh yeah, see someone else holding all this gear and using G29 is devilish. Damn, I wonder what time is it to get this kind of. Let's see what game is this. There's no game of it. I'm playing it, but on Assetto Corsa Competizione. I was wondering what time is it. I mean, it's probably like, bro, this is the thing. It's not always the same hours. I don't think so. I don't think it's that complicated. That difference is the time, but that could be because I once tried to set it like 18, but there's there's no fucking sunset. Okay, we have strong bully scandal. Let's see if we have the same thing. Okay, we do have the same thing. Let's see if we have some auto block. We don't really have any auto block. And same thing here. We don't really have any auto block. It's and that's also a bully scandal. So yeah, that's not an auto block. I'm hoping this is going to be our entry on equilibrium. We don't really get any confirmation, even though we need confirmation. We do have it here. We have this break structure. But in this case, we have this port as empty, so yep, that will work. That will work. I'm going to try it on ES. I'm still going to need to wait for the candle to close first. Holy shit. Yep, that was fucking human. Holy shit. The fuck is. The show was nice. It's like called what the fuck, but in Arabic way. Please don't fucking close bullies, man. I really need this to be buried so I can say that was fucking equilibrium. Yup, like that. 20 seconds to go. Alright, got it. Now at least we can fucking relieve, and even if it's going to be invalidated, I'm going to wait for price to just break structure to the upside. I'm getting ready. Damn, I don't know. Fuck. Okay. I don't think if it's 1.2, we'll see. I mean, as always, I'm going to enter 1.2 trade. It's not. I'm going to put it here. Actually, I'm gonna put it there. Alright. I mean, if it lost, our setup's there. And let this, because I'm no longer needed. Whoa. So yeah, I'm going to take 50% in the middle, somewhere in here. 7, bro. I can never always. Okay, I'm going to take 3 contracts. 3 contracts. Immediately going to our drawdown. Actually, that's great. That's really crazy. Let's see if we actually. Okay, we actually got our. What was that called? Our manipulation to 5 minute. I already commit with this one, so we'll see what will happen. Damn, immediately got stopped out. It's really fucking crazy. Which candle is it that actually? Okay, I think it's some or this candle, and then I get another break. I mean, everything was valid. Not gonna lie. We got the manipulation, we got the SMT. Shit, this is hard decision right here. Because if we don't actually go lower, then we're actually gonna go higher. But with this bullish SMD that we're having right now, it's legitimately telling us to go higher. It's just so unfortunate that we got fucking stopped out. Bro, that execution mark is hiding my way. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. We lose. I don't want to try it again. I'm just going to check out some more price action. I also just want to see where we actually want to go after this. And even if I want to take some trade, I'm just going to use paper trading because I don't want to experiment with fucking real account. That's so stupid. Let's see. First of all, the reason that we don't trade, the reason we trade long is because we have bullish SMT. But as I said before, if we actually want to uh complete the SMT, we need to go lower than that. So that's why. Let's see. Even I'm just going to trade this immediately. I'm going to sell. I don't know, 10 contracts. I mean, it's fucking make sure. Okay. Okay. Sell this. Stop loss here. Take profit. I want to set it on 1.2 trade. And also put this here. 1.2. There we go. This is 1.2. And then I'm going to take partial here. Yeah, it should be by a limit. So I suppose by limit. Put it somewhere in there. And this is going to be our take partial because there's no way it's going to reverse before we strip that shit. Now we're just going to wait. Okay, I'm on paper trading, right? Yeah, on paper trading. So what I was talking about here. First of all, we have this bullish SMT, right? Sorry, bearish SMT on bigger time frame, which telling us to go lower. But then after that, we have this bullish SMT of this hourly low, which actually telling us that we need to go higher. We are going to go higher. But turns out I got stopped out. If it actually go higher after this, I mean, we're still in the equilibrium area, so that's nice. But if we actually going to be like this, not what am I saying? Going to be like this. If we're actually going to go higher after that, then maybe I need to adjust my stop loss placement to be on the way more safe area. So we'll see because I have this experiment if we're actually going to go lower after that manipulation that I was stuck. But We'll see if it's going to be work out. It's gonna work out. I want to enter some here to buy. What? Don't have fun? That's crazy. How about 20? Okay, I can do that too. How about 5? I can do 5. So where's this? Where's the actual stop loss? I'm going to see on the 5 minute to be more clear. We kind of swept this equilibrium area, so I was expecting we might actually just going to put it in the body, in the wake of it, and then the take profit is just going to be 1.2, somewhere like that. Let's see. I have buy and sell. That's crazy because I was trading on both directions. Alright. I think this is not something that you guys going to watch, even the originals don't really sure if someone going to watch it. I'm just going to experimenting like this. Yeah, bye bye. I don't know how much I lost. I'm going to check it right now. And I try and lost today, probably around 300 something, almost $400. Just like what I said it to. And it's lagging. I don't know how much I lost. I'm going to just fucking show it and